Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another video here at Ground Zero Airsoft. Our objective is to protect the cone inside the village.
I'm gonna go into the bushes over here, like out of the wall, and then I'm just gonna, if anything, I'll just try to flank behind them, and I'm just gonna be running back and forth like in the bushes here. A little bit more sneaky.
In this video, I'm going to be using a new ShotCam I just got. Let me know what you guys think about it. I decided to watch the right flank of the village to make sure no enemies would try to attack us from this side. I spotted a group of 3 players coming towards me. I try to move up and get a better firing position on the enemy players. It was too risky taking a shot with all the branches here.
Sorry.
After taking out those players, I decided to try to move left a little bit and try to run into any other players. After scouting out the area, I could see enemy players coming towards my position, so I decided to make a little foxhole in the snow. I can see a group of 3 enemy players coming to my position. I can notice 2 of his teammates trying to push up on my right flank. I spotted the last enemy player on the other side of the brush behind a tree. I was going to see if I could get lucky and try to punch through all the brush and hit him. I was surprised I could hit the enemy player with so many few shots. I decided to try to move more left of the village to see if I could run into any more enemy players. try to see if I can drag any more attention to the right side of the village. I couldn't spot any more players on the right flank. I decided to try to attack the left flank of the village, where the rest of the enemy players were held down. I waited for the right time to take the shot so I wouldn't drag any unwanted attention. If the player didn't feel the first two hits, I was gonna wait till he revived his teammates so I could take both of them out. The enemy player ended up getting shot by one of my teammates. The enemy decided to surrender their attack, and our team ended up winning the round.
Howdy.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you liked the video, subscribe and leave me a like. And if you guys really liked the video, leave me a comment, let me know.